To put it in one word, it's dangerous. The whole concept of an item number, the word item itself is a very adult word. It's not a children word, it's not a play word. It is directly making this one object out of a woman who is shown as somebody who is the object of sexual attraction or object of lust that people would be uh, lured to. A lot of people learn from the media. Children especially, they learn things from the media. They would, and it seems very glorified. It seems very well accepted. It seems that हाँ ये टीवी पे दिख रहा है तो ये तो ऐसा करना तो सही है. It's inappropriate in certain ways. It is disrespectful towards a woman if you do certain things, or if you approach or if you look upon a woman like that. So there's a lot of acceptance that goes through as an example to these children that it is okay to behave like this, whereas it is not. I don't think from any of the angles, like say health wise or psychologically or anything, it is good. So when you're making an item number, you're definitely not calling on the kids to come and watch our movie. You know it's not for them. Why don't you rate it in a manner where you are calling only the adults to come watch? So it's absolutely okay to have adult content. That's not the problem. The problem is you have to rate it, you have to package it in a way so that it reaches the right category of people. The item number itself, everything is bare right there. So it does not tell the child that there is something called as respect. There is something which is, you can, it's inappropriate in certain ways. It is disrespectful towards a woman if you do certain things, or if you approach or if you look upon a woman like that. The dignity that a woman should be having, it kind of degrades the whole thing and makes it glorified, makes it like a rule for them to follow, that it is okay to do this, there's nothing wrong. So there's a lot of acceptance that goes through as an example to these children that it is okay to behave like this, whereas it is not. It doesn't teach you dignity. When you strip somebody up in item numbers, if you see people pulling the clothes of a woman and the woman is okay with it, everybody is kind of enjoying, there's a lot of alcohol in the air, and it tells kids that it is okay to do this. And I don't think from any of the angles, like say health wise or psychologically or anything, it is good. I don't think it is good. Sexuality is something which is it's a lot of power which needs good direction. As kids and as they grow, as they hit their puberties and they discover their own internal urges and these sexual urges which are biologically normal, they are supposed to be there after a certain age, but if they do not get a proper direction to use it or to behave responsibly, then it misguides them, and these are the years when your personality actually gets shaped. So whatever belief systems you build into yourself, those go with you. So maybe if you tend to pick up onto looking upon a woman as something like an object, maybe you start treating women around you in the same way. See, parents, I don't think they have a choice. Yes, they should be responsible. Ideally, yes, it is the responsibility of the parent, but I don't know if a parent can really control what comes on TV. This content, whoever endorses, I think all of them have to think what they are doing and what they are being a part of, and who is this going to reach out to. There are celebrities who talk about, I will not promote smoking, I will not promote this. But if they are promoting an item number, it's equally wrong thing to do.